We normally eat cashew sometimes, but we don't know its benefits and how much it's worthy for our health. We should know the benefits of everything around us. So in this lecture, I will show you 5 things that happen when you eat cashews every day. Number 1. A natural treatment for depression. Cashews contain a very important amino acid, tryptophan, which is responsible for regulating your mood, keeping a balanced behavior, and improving the quality of your sleep. In return, you won't feel as stressed, anxious, or depressed. 2 handfuls of cashews contain the same amount of tryptophan as most prescription antidepressants without the negative side effects that come along with them. Number 2. Protect your eyes. Macular degeneration is one of the leading causes for vision loss in America, even surpassing cataracts and glaucoma. Luckily, cashews contain the amazing antioxidant, zeaxanthin, which is actually absorbed into your eyes, giving them better protection against harmful UV rays. Additionally, zeaxanthin provides your eyes with antioxidants that help prevent age-related macular degeneration. Number 3. Boost your metabolism. Cashews are packed with vitamins that are sure to speed up your metabolism and even help you to lose weight. A single 100-gram serving of cashews gives you over 30% of your recommended daily intake of vitamin B6. Number 4. Great for your heart. Another incredible benefit of cashews are their high amounts of palmitoleic and oleic acids. These 2 essential fatty acids are known to lower the levels of harmful LDL cholesterol and increase the levels of the beneficial HDL cholesterol in your body. This will help to reduce your risk of having a stroke, heart attack, and lower your chances of developing coronary artery disease later in life. Number 5. A good source of calories. Cashews may be small, but they possess a surprising amount of calories that are sure to give you the energy you need to make it through your busy day. In addition to filling you up, they are also rich in vitamins and minerals that have been known to help fight against the development of severe diseases including cancer, heart disease, and other serious illnesses.
Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.